I don't like them. Wike speaks on PDP's Supreme Court verdict, says ADC is still in problem. Can you imagine? Who don't you like? Is it the fashion of PDP that's against you, or is ADC that you don't like? This Wike, sometimes he talks as if he's the father of PDP, the father of everything. And people are sitting down, listening and clapping for him. Well, let's dive into the details to understand what he doesn't like and who is still in problem. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT Nyesom Wike, has said the Supreme Court judgment on the leadership of the People Democratic Party has effectively ended internal wrangling within the party. National reports that Wike made the remarks while addressing journalists at his residence in Abuja. So the former Rivers State governor maintained that the Apex Court ruling has settled issues surrounding factional divisions in the party. So the PDP is warned the judgment has put to rest reactions of factions within the party, he said. Wike also commented on the leadership situation within the African Democratic Congress ADC, noting that the matter remains unresolved. Talk your own, you are talking of ADC. Leave ADC on and do the one you are doing in PDP, destroying PDP for the APC. The Supreme Court referred the ADC back to the Federal High Court. The ADC is still in problem, he said. Yeah, the Supreme Court referred the ADC back to the Federal High Court, but still retaining David Mark as the national chairman and not Nafi Bala. That is it. So it's not Nafi Bala. That is what you must know. And that also brings some appreciable level of peace in ADC as well. Because all these people spoiling PDP. Wike is spoiling PDP. Now APC has gotten Nafi Bala to also spoil ADC for them. But that is not going to work. So the minister further expressed reservation about certain individuals in the political space, clarifying that his position is not against political parties themselves. Can you imagine? So his own, for Wike problem is not the political parties, it's about individuals in the political space. That's why he hates Obi so much, he hates Atiku so much. And he even hates Atiku more than the way he hates Obi. That is it. So as long as he hates Atiku and Atiku is in ADC, he will not let them breathe. That is what I see there. And I will not be surprised if Wike will still go extra mile to pay somebody in ADC to create another internal crisis inside that ADC, because they have all put out their tentacles and the strategies to see how they can put trouble in ADC so that they don't get organized. And one of the trouble, that is why people don't trust Atiku, is Atiku must not back down for Obi so that the party will have big problem. That one will not work. Okay? So he continues, not that I don't like the party. I hate the individuals involved. I don't like them. They are part of the problem that have plunged Nigeria into problems, Wike said. Can you imagine? So the people there are part of the problem that have plunged Nigeria into problems. So you and what you are doing and what APC is doing is not plunging Nigeria into a problem, or it's not plunging your party, PDP, into a problem. Wike is somebody else, I'm telling you. I know that he has said it and a lot of people will react to that. And the first person here says, you will buy soon. Not be lie. The guy himself is not even looking healthy anymore. A young man like that is just less than a few years to 60. He's not even 60 years old yet. He's looking like a 75-year-old man. That's to tell you that he's already stressed up and his body system is gone. Somebody say, they are who? Yes, who are those people that you don't like? They're asking Wike now. Who are those people that you don't like? We all know that the people there, the likes of Atiku, he will never be in good terms with anywhere Atiku is. With Atiku, he doesn't like Obi. Okay, the likes of who? The people that worked for Buhari during Buhari's tenure. What is his name? El-Rufai. El-Rufai is there. What is his name? There's so many of them. Malami, the former AGF under Buhari, is also there. Those are the people they say they plunge Nigeria into what it is. But what has that government of Buhari is not better than government of Tinubu as at this moment. That is the big question. It's better. It's better. Okay. Somebody's answering that question. So when they say, when someone is asking, they are who? Who are those people that Wike doesn't like? And someone say, Atiku, Atiku, Atiku. He is the problem of this nation. Once he win ADC ticket, Peter Obi, go to another party. Sure, Atiku is the problem. We know Atiku is the problem. I pity those following this chameleon. Which chameleon? Wike now. A very big chameleon. Oh. It's a very big chameleon. Hey, this Ogogoro man still there in pain. ADC has moved on. They come to APC if you are a man enough. Exactly, if you are man enough. Destroyer. Say thunder go do you something. I'm telling you, the guy not be here. Your children are also in deeper problem. Talk. Yes, now. You say if Wike is saying ADC is in deeper problem, Wike himself is in deeper problem because he doesn't even know where he belongs. Has this man who they call barrister ever practiced law in court? Just chasing money as cat chase rat. Not be lie. And they are firing a Wike here, and another person saying, you are in PDP destroying it and also fighting to destroy ADC. Only you. And what really are you benefiting? Nothing. You have been in government for the past 20 years and has looted this country to your own satisfaction. Yet you claim that Rivers State is yours, that no man can decide except you. Not be lying. No man can decide except you. Please, I want to remind you that one day you will buy and all these things will still remain for other people to take care of them. But I do hope you will be. Can you imagine? The guy is well for him. I do hope you will put down with them. And obviously, even the ADC, you all destroyed Nigeria. So what is too special about the verdict? Nothing special about the verdict. Nothing special. So thank you for listening. Let's have a comment over what Wike is saying in his house at Abuja.